it's Nika. I'm having a red background today because I'm really sick. I'm not feeling well, but I wanted to tell you guys about this perfume, and I'm not even going to try to pronounce it because I know I'll pronounce it wrong and you guys will probably give me a lot of backlash, but I think it's pronounced C Passione by Giorgio Armani. I absolutely love this stuff, by the way. I got this as a sample from Influenster, and I talked to you guys about Influenster before. You get free products to try, and then you have to do reviews and things like that on them. I believe I linked my Influencer down below, but you guys can check that out. But this smells like, when I read the description, I thought it was going to be like really strong and really kind of woodsy, but this is very subtle, very like exotic and intriguing. I absolutely love this perfume, and I will be using this from now on probably. But it says, I'll read it to you and then I'll show you the bottle because the bottle is absolutely beautiful. But hold on, I'll read the thing from Giorgio Armani. But it says it is an intoxicating, seductive blend of rose and woody vanilla. Si Passione All Day Perfume by Giorgio Armani is made for the modern woman who is passionate, feminine, and free. And I would have to say that that perfume actually represents that. I absolutely love it. So not only am I telling you guys about this Giorgio Armani, but this is basically me telling you about Influenster because I get stuff periodically to sample for them and do reviews on the product's website and things like that to earn more badges and things with Influencer. The more badges you have, obviously, the more samples that you can be a part of. I'm trying to get this without breaking this beautiful bottle. But if you guys are ready, here it is. It's red. Obviously, it goes really well. But this is beautiful. Like, I love it. The trick is going to be keeping Autumn from using it, but it is very intoxicating. They were very correct about that. Like, I'm smelling myself and I'm turning myself on. I'm just saying, because I smell that good, guys. But check out Influencer if you already don't have an account with them. I've tried so many things, like I said, from perfume to other products to foods to gift cards, virtual gift cards and things like that. So I absolutely love Influencer. If you're like me and you like to get stuff for free, I mean, come on guys, a full-size bottle of a Giorgio Armani perfume, you can't beat that. And it smells amazing. So check out Influencer. I will leave the link below for you guys to check it out if you are interested in sampling free products like me. So until next time.